Hey, so here at Hopping Rock Farms, out on the farm, got my poles set yesterday. So these are 20-foot long, actually they're 24-foot long. That's a 24-foot long dogwood tree that's been trimmed. So I got these 24-foot long dogwood poles. They're set down 4 inches in the ground. They're between 6 and 8 inches in diameter. And I set 3 of them here, and then 3 of them there. So I set those yesterday with my brother-in-law. He came over and helped me out, and it was awesome. It was a lot of freaking hard work, but absolutely beautiful. Day for it, I got some sunburn. It's okay. But the poles are in the ground. They are 14 feet apart, and then from here to here is 43 feet is my row length. And that, take 1.5 feet off each end, gives 40 feet for plants. I'm going to put the plants 4 feet apart, so that gives 11 plants per row, 33 plants. Going to run the wires up there at 20 feet. Going to run a guy line on the bottom and irrigation. The next few weeks I'll get all that put in. So yeah, hop yard's coming along. Pretty happy about it. And they are tall. So earlier in the video I said 4 inches. No, they're 4 feet deep. I had to rent this really awesome groundhog bore holder. There's a 12-inch diameter hole that's 4 feet deep. Sometimes there were some big frickin' rocks that I had to hand dig out. It was a giant pain, a lot of work. The machine bores it deep, but you still got to physically pull it out. Then we used my tractor to actually set the poles. And you see how tall the poles are compared to the tractor. This was freaking terrifying, getting that pole set with the tractor. But eventually we got them all up. I was afraid it was going to tip us over, but it didn't. Eventually we got all the poles in place. It was a really good day working outside. My brother-in-law John and me there, kind of happy, getting ready to go have an adult beverage. And yeah, it was a good day. Thanks for watching.